Alright, this is 3ds Max UVW Unwrap tutorial. I'm going to middle click in this. I'm going to hit Alt W to expand it to full screen. I'm going to rotate it around a little bit by middle clicking, always holding my thumb on the Alt key. I'm going to draw a box, and then I'm going to draw another box. I'm going to press F4 so I can see the lines on each box. I'm going to convert this to an editable poly. I'm going to go to Unwrap UVW. I'm going to select my edge tool, point-to-point seams, turn off maps, and I'm just going to cut this box open in a way that'll let me see it flat. I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to hit Control A, and that'll let me grab every side. Open UV Editor, Maps, Unfold Map. Alright, that's good. Convert that to editable poly. I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to right click, convert to editable poly. That just means I want to edit it. Scroll down, Unwrap UVW, Edges, Point-to-point seams. Turn map seams off, that gets rid of the big green lines. If I press Z, it'll center me on that object, it'll zoom in. And I'm just going to go. If I right click whenever I'm doing this, I can turn it off. And I'm going to unwrap it. Control A. Map, unfold map, hit OK. And I'm actually going to move this one off a little bit so I don't have to deal with it as much. Convert to editable poly. I'm going to take this big shape, I'm going to rename it Boxy 1, and I'm going to element, attach. This just means these two objects will be one. I'm going to grab this object and I'm going to move it onto it. Click off. If you can't do anything in any other menu, it means one of these is turned on. I click it, I can turn it off. And now I go to Unwrap UVW. And if you're having problems unwrapping your object, it's probably because that's selected one face. I'm going to go Open UV Editor, and it's turn this off to stop seeing the map. And now I've got both of these objects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this to scale them, hold down Control, and it'll scale them for me. I can uniform scale them. I'll put this one in this corner. This one I'm going to flip. I'm going to try to take up as much of the space as I possibly can. Go to Tools, Render UV Template. Render UV Template there. Save. Save it as a bitmap. Hit OK. That. Convert to editable poly. Downsize that. I'm going to open up Photoshop. I'm going to close this. File. Open. Desktop. I'm going to find my thing. Box picture. I'm going to grab my eyedropper, turn off contiguous so it selects everything. Right click, select inverse, Control J to duplicate the layer of what's left. That's going to duplicate the green. I'm going to select black, fill it in so I can turn the green on and off. Now I'm going to, alright, it's back there. I'm going to grab some textures. And whatever's in the green lines will be on the objects. I'm going to turn off the green lines so I don't have to see them anymore. File, Save As, save over that file. Go into 3ds Max. I'm going to press Material, M for Material. Go to Modes, Compact. Select my object. Name this Boxy Mat 1. I'm going to drag it onto my object, go to diffuse channel, go to bitmap, load my picture up, make it where I can see it, show in viewport, and go back to the front menu. If I press F4 to get rid of the lines, I can see that I've mapped both of these and they're one single object. Press W to move them.